So hi everyone, welcome back to Data Science in a Pocket, and today I would be explaining you in this short tutorial how to run Claude Code in your local system without a GPU with free models without paying a single penny for your API keys. So how we are doing that? We would be using Ollama to run Claude Code, and for a surprise, the setup is very easy. It will require just 5 minutes from your end to set it up. So Claude Code, if you don't know, is one of the best AI agents for coding. It has taken the entire world by storm. And if you're not using it, I think you are missing on a big chunk in your life. So get started with it. Automate your programming ASAP. How to get started with Claude Code? First of all, you need to copy paste this command. Get Claude Code IRM https claude.a install.psi pipe IEX. Now, I will be telling you how to get this set up in your Windows system. So first of all, I will be copy pasting this command and opening my PowerShell. Let me do that. So here you can see that the first command that I ran is execution policy for the current user only. I'm not installing it for everyone. And the next part is IRM. This is the command that we copied. We just pasted it here. Now, as you can see that setting up Claude Code successfully installed. Version 2.1.109. Location is my C drive. And the next steps are run Claude help to get started. And installation is complete. Shall we check it out whether it's working or not? Let me do it. And here you can see that it is giving me all the commands also. How to get started with Claude Code. Now this is just the first part. So in the first part, we are able to set up Claude Code, but what model to use? You wanted to use it for free, right? So I'm assuming that you have already installed Ollama in your system. If you haven't, just search on Google Ollama and install the application. Once the application is installed, the rest of the part is quite easy. We'll be running a few commands to set up a certain variable, environment variables, so that your Claude Code uses by default Ollama variables. So let me show you that. So here you can see that there are a few things that I'm running. My Claude Code is ready. So first of all, Anthropic auth token would go as Ollama, and base URL you have to change. Do remember that this is the same URL you need to use if you have installed Ollama. And make sure that Ollama is running as a daemon process that is in the background in your local system. So this would be the local host. The command remains the same. The location remains the same for you too. And in API key, as you know, Ollama is open source. You don't need to pass anything. Now the last command that you need to pass is Claude double hyphen model Kimi K2.5 colon cloud. So in this way, Kimi K2.5 cloud that is hosted on Ollama's cloud will get started for Claude Code. You won't require GPU, you won't need to spend any single dollar. And you can use the power of Kimi K2.5, one of the best open source model for free. Here you can see that Claude Code is running for me. I typed in a prompt, hey there, how can I help you? So this is the output it gave me. Let me ask it something else. Write Fibonacci series code in Python. Let's hit enter. You can see it's running. Thinking. The thinking tokens are also visible as you can see here. This one needs a moment. And our code is ready. Now it is also asking me want to create a file also. I'll say yes. The operation is not permitted. I need to give permissions for that. But I think as you can see now, you can run open source model. The power of open source models like Kimi K2.5 or Quen 3.5 coder can be accessed using Claude Code using Ollama. I didn't pay a single penny. My GPUs are not up to date, but still I'm able to run everything for free with the most powerful coding agent. So what are you waiting for? Do try out this short tutorial in your system if you're using Windows. Even for Linux and Mac OS users, the steps are very easy. First, install Claude Code, then set up your environment variables, and third, just launch it with the model of your choice from Ollama's cloud. Do make sure that Ollama is installed in your system. If you're not sure whether it's running or not, just tap in here and you can see the Ollama sign. Open Ollama settings and etc. If this sign is there, that means Ollama is working in background for you. With this, it's a wrap. I hope to try out Claude Code with local models using Ollama. Thank you so much.